first application is that play one game, one and one game only. How many of you have heard of something called $10,000 hours? In any game you play, right? When you start, you pay to play. If I learn golf, I need to pay to play golf. But if I become Tiger Woods, I got paid millions of dollars to play golf, right? It took at least 10,000 hours to become a master of any game, of any job, of any profession, right? If I play Tai Chi, how long does it take for someone to become a Tai Chi master?
Your master?
Yeah.
1 year.
1 year.
Under my coaching.
Under your coaching. Alright. Great. So 1 year is about 10,000 hours, right? You mean, okay. 10,000 hours. If we pursue and play multiple games, don't you see it takes far more time for any of the game we play to reach mastery level? If we ever reach that mastery level. Yeah? That's why if you see Yao Ming, you don't see Yao Ming become the Olympic gold medalist in gymnastics and basketball. If you see Michael Jordan or Tiger Woods, you don't see Tiger Woods playing golf and baseball. In fact, Michael Jordan, like I mentioned it, he even tried to do baseball. And that was a total waste of his life for 1 year, at least money-wise. Right? That's why we focus on one game. And only one game. So my friend, if you're in business or if you're in a job, ask yourself, are you there to develop a marketing program, write an article, develop a product, and then go on to market it on stage, and then go back and train your sales team, and then go out and talk about business alliances, and then manage your own projects, manage your own administrative stuff, balance your checkbook, and try to talk about franchise all at the same time. How many of you play more than one game? It's very easy. How many of you are playing just one game at this moment? At this moment, longer. Did you only play one game?
Yeah.
Which game are you playing?
Just want to present.
Present.
Do planning, that's all.
Do planning.
Yeah.
What do you do?
Lessons, presentations.
Presentations and lessons. Okay, what profile are you?
Creator and star, somewhere in the middle.
Okay, great. So, are you doing well?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, keep your 10,000 hours of practice.
Yeah.
Right? Good. Thank you. So the first application I want you to remember is play only one game. Yeah? The second one is actually, I go back to that, not only play one game, but play your game. So, if you are playing something that is your game, you will achieve master level faster. Maybe 5,000 hours, you're already a master. If I ask Darbright to become an internet expert, how long do you think you can become an internet expert? Easy, a couple months, right? If I ask you to become an internet expert, how long does it take for you? Forever. Wow, you're stupid. Your brother only takes a few months.
That's why I got him.
Wow. I never have a son like you. I want my brother. My younger son. Okay. But don't you see? Sometimes you feel bad, you feel dumb. It's just because your parents expect you to play someone else's game. right? But on the other hand, hey, I want to train you to go out and cold-call. Be really good at cold-call. Can't you do it, cold-call?
Nope.
Right? Play your own game. So when you play your own game, you become a master faster. But when you are in the wrong game, first of all, you can still be a master. I don't want to rule out anybody's dream about to pursue something, right? Someone say, oh, I don't want to learn wealth dynamics because I'm not a star, but I really want to be an amazing trainer. I don't, I just pick a game and stay with that. If you absolutely want to be a trainer on stage and you're not a star, just be aware of that. Put in more hours. But you just have to know that you may need to put in a lot more hours than a star. Yeah? So play your game. May I share a story with you? My favorite story? Yes? How many of you would like that story? Yeah, okay. So story goes, okay, you have to use some imagination. Imagine, close your eyes or open your eyes. Okay, now open your eyes. Imagine you're a bird. Your daddy bird, your mommy bird, say, hey, son, you see that shark? Wow, he's so elegant, swimming so fast and catch a fish. And we have to dive into the ocean and catch a fish, and we miss most of the time. You go to a swimming school, be a good swimmer, so you can catch fish quickly. So then you go to the swimming school, you practice, you're very good at practicing, you practice, really hard work, diligent, putting long hours of swimming. And you always wonder, why are you so dumb? Because the friend next to you is like a tuna fish, so elegantly, effortlessly swim faster than you, you're so confident. You start to doubt yourself. You start to feel bad about yourself. But you practice, keep practicing and hard work, right? So one day you did wealth dynamics, profiles, and you find out that you are good. All you need to do is just spread your wings, and you fly. But you know what's funny? It's effortlessly, you're flying, right? You know what's funny? You also see so many other fish trying to learn to fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Okay, I wake you up, right? Give me some. I'm not saying, I'm trying to say. Okay, but just to, someone in another creator in my class just said that if you are a bird and you really want to swim, you can. After several million years, you become a penguin. So, luckily for birds, they don't have swimming lessons. They don't have swimming school. But how many of us, as a parent, we want our children to be a doctor, accountant, an engineer, or become a great public speaker, go to Toastmaster, or be creative? How about that? And at night, do some internet option trading. And then internet marketing is coming, right? Without knowing who they are. So that's my first story. How many have you enjoyed that story? Yeah? Would you like a second story? Yeah. All right, thank you.